In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free diamonds in the Free Fire Max. So as you can see, guys, I got tons right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. No jailbreak needed. So as you can see, guys, we got so many. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So it's super insane. And yeah, it's fully working, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we got so much right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Super insane. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called tweakgpt.com. Alright, so this is like a really cool website, right, with AI tech. So now that we're on the website, we're going to go where it says enter a prompt. And you just want to type in Free Fire. Should come up. So it says looking for Free Fire Max mod. Here's how. Go to Zoom Mods and search for it. So now we're on Zoom Mods. I'm going to type in Free Fire. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's how you download it. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. And if you go to the search bar and type in Free Fire, you can see it is super expensive, bro. So let me just type it in right here. As you can see, of course it doesn't come up. Let me just try again. Alright, let me just do this right here. And as you can see, guys, when we go to the in-app purchases, look at that. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. And I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, super crazy. It's a fully working video for you guys. So yeah, peace out. This is so cool. As you can see, look how much I got. So if this video works, you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And it's totally working, guys. So if you need some resources like this, keep watching the video, guys. It's so crazy. So yeah, all you gotta do, guys, is just go to this site right here, and then you're gonna be good to go, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super awesome. So yeah, you just gotta go to the search bar, type it in. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, guys. It fully works. If this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my gang.